Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine. It's been a few weeks since I last posted my YouTube video. That's because we moved from one house to the other. I'll insert some pictures of the two different houses in the screen right now. But yeah, as you can imagine, we had to pack up everything and move. It has taken us quite a few weeks to settle down, and it's been about 6 weeks, 7 weeks now, and I finally feel like we have settled down completely. That's why it's been a few weeks, but I'm happy to be back. I'm hoping to post videos more on a regular basis, so please be on the lookout. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Catherine. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get started, shall we? In today's video, I wanted to introduce you guys to my newest handbag that I have added to my collection, and that is the Saint Laurent Lou camera bag. There's a couple different names that this bag is referred to as. I've seen, I think, Lulu camera bag, medium Lou camera bag, but it's the same size camera bag that Saint Laurent is currently doing. It has the soft, I believe this is a calfskin leather with chevron quilting in the front and in the back. And it has their logo up front here. As far as I know, they're all antique gold hardware. For the gold tone, and there's of course a silver tone with a different kinds of leather as well. This item currently retails for $1,150 here in the United States. Depending on the variation, it might be more or less expensive. I got the specific color of handbag from Saks Fifth Avenue. The color selection and the hardware selection varies by the store that you're looking at. This bag is meant to be really a crossbody bag, but I have punched additional holes in the strap. I can share more details of that here in a second. So now it can be used as a shoulder bag. As you can see, it's kind of short, and this is what it looks like on me. I'm about 5'7", 5'8". So here, as you can see, it hits my hip right here. So it's more of a shoulder bag now, but if you put it on the longest setting, this is what it will look like. So I have the bag on the third to last hole here. You can see. Third to last, 1, 2, 3, and that's how long it is. It hits on my hip. This is very convenient kind of a setup to have, but I really prefer to carry my bag on my shoulder. It's been like that for a little while lately anyway, so I have it set on the shorter side. So let me show you guys what I've done to the strap to make it more useful for myself. I have punched quite a few more holes. So the standard bag comes with 7 holes pre-punched. You can see here, but I found that wasn't enough for me. I really wanted the option to be able to carry this bag, shoulder bag, so I've punched several more holes here. Yeah, so you can see I have punched additional holes. It's not as cleanly punched as the pre-punched holes that comes with the bag. But the way to do it is with a leather hole puncher, which I have purchased from Amazon. I will share the listing in the comment section down below so you know which one to purchase. I did set it on the smallest hole setting to punch some additional holes. I believe when you punch the additional holes and make any modifications to your bag, then the warranty is void. But I thought to myself, like, what kind of other warranty can I really want for this bag? There's not a lot of hardware or anything that I see like breaking. If I need some service to be done, then I can pay a third party to do that as well, so I wasn't really worried about that. Let's do a quick tour of the back outside of the straps. So in the front, just has the Saint Laurent logo here. Very smooth chevron quilting. It does have a little pull tab that'll zip the bag pretty smoothly. Has the antique gold hardware here. As I mentioned, the straps are not adjustable really. You can't take the straps off. It does come with a little tassel. I'll insert the picture with a tassel on the screen now so you have an idea of what that looks like. I don't really like having accessories in my bag that makes a lot of noise. I'll have pom-poms on my handbag sometimes, but the tassel that came with the bag wasn't really to my style, so I took that off. You can do that by separating these two parts of chain and it'll come off right away. And then the back doesn't have any pockets or any logos. You can kind of see already that I have some color transfer here. I mostly wore this bag with dark denim when I was visiting my family in Seattle. But I'm sure you can clean this with a leather cleaner. I haven't bothered with it yet because it's still very new. And inside of the bag, it's a black fabric lining. I don't know whether you guys can really see it a little bit. There's one slip bucket here, so you can still put something in there. But other than that, there's really not much organization to it. I was considering buying the Toy Lulu bag. I'll insert a picture of that bag on the screen. You guys can see what bag I'm talking about. But I figured that bag is a little bit thicker, like this, so it would be easier for me to carry this. I bought this specifically as kind of a small day bag or a travel bag, so I thought this would be a better fit for my style. The great thing about this bag is that it'll fit my phone, my medium-sized wallet, something like a card holder. Let me show you guys what kind of card holder I can fit. This is just like a Kate Spade card holder that I use if I need to store quite a few items, so this will comfortably fit in here along with your phone. So here's my phone, and it goes along with that right there. If you have like a small notebook, that'll also fit in here. It does fit a book, so let me see if I can grab a book and show you guys that too. So if you like reading books like I do on the plane rides, then this is a Korean book that I read a little while ago. Fits in here also comfortably. So that's also another plus. This is a really good size bag. That's priced somewhat reasonably compared to some of the other similar size bags I was considering, like the Louis Vuitton Croissant or Chanel wallet and chain and bags, things like that. This was more affordably priced, and it was still a really good quality with leather in a shade that I really like, so I decided to buy this bag instead. So the color of this bag specifically, if you are looking to buy more of the nude, they have different color options depending on what store you look at. This color is called the Dusty Pink, so it's not the pinkish nude that they do from the same fashion house. It is more comparable to the Gucci Marmont nude color that everyone has. I forget what that color is called, but it's more comparable to that one. The bag does not have any feet. So far, I've been pretty impressed with the structure of the bag. It hasn't sagged as much as I thought it would, but one thing that I do have to complain about is the color transfer. It's not going to be very visible on the camera now because of the lighting, but here you can kind of see the blue coming up here. It's not a big deal for me because it's going to be mostly in the back, and when I wear the bag, I want to wear it comfortably, so it's not a big deal for me. But if you are concerned with color transfer and you don't color lock your denim, I don't color lock my denim, then you will want to be aware of the color transfer. Be a little bit more careful, or wear the bag on a shorter strap like I am, or color lock your denim, or protect your leather, or decide to purchase a darker color. So yeah, I like this bag so far. If you guys have any questions about this bag, because there's not a whole lot of reviews about this, it's not the most popular bag out there at the moment. But if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I'll try my best to answer those questions. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.